For these fit chocolate cupcakes, we will need a mixer, a bowl, and a mold for 6 cupcakes. These are the ingredients whose details I will leave you in the description of this video. We start by cutting 2 bananas into pieces, which we then press with a fork until obtaining the consistency of a puree. Next, we place this banana puree in a bowl and add 2 eggs. Then we add the chocolate brownie protein or cocoa powder, and add the oats. Then we place the previously chopped walnuts. We add a teaspoon of yeast and begin to beat everything until we obtain a homogeneous mixture, and that's it. We can now place the mixture in the cupcake mold. We decorate by placing an almond to give it our touch. And finally, we place the mold in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. After the cooking time, we let it cool and we can now enjoy delicious healthy cupcakes.